Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you what you need to do to get your business to show up in local search results, even for competitive search terms like best tacos in Los Angeles. I'm Justin, the founder of Merchant, and what I'm going to do is show you exactly what is on this first page of Google. And if you want help doing it in an automated way, then be sure to check out the link in the description below. Okay, so if you search for best tacos in Los Angeles and you're in the old school Google search, you're not using AI mode, then the result that you're going to get looks like this. First, it's going to show 3 Google business profiles, and it's going to pay attention to what people are saying in reviews, right? You cannot rank for a search related to the keyword best unless you have amazing reviews and people are saying great things in them. So you don't just need a lot of 5-star reviews. You need people to mention just how great your business is in the text of those reviews. So here, for example, amazing depths of flavor and good pieces of meat on every taco. Here it had the word good and taco. This one had tacos, best tacos. This one had tacos and talking about the quality of them is so great. So right off the bat, if you want to rank in the best type search results, then you need to make sure that you have a lot of really good SEO optimized reviews, which again, our product that I mentioned in the link below can help you with. Okay. The next thing that you'll see is that you need to get mentioned in blogs. And this part is very difficult, but you can be active in your local Reddit communities to make sure that whenever someone's talking about something in your city, that you have an opinion and maybe you shout out your own business every now and then. Okay. Let's keep scrolling down. Next, you're going to see that there's this section called what people are saying. And Google is now pulling in different videos that other people posted or that these businesses posted themselves. So if you want to make sure that your own social media videos are getting pulled in by Google, then what you need to do is make sure Google knows about them. So head over to your Google business profile, say edit profile, then scroll down to where you get the social profiles and make sure to add the links for all of your social media platforms right here and hit save. That's going to allow Google to map all of these different online properties that you have to your business so that they know to show you more. Next, we're going to see short videos. These are also coming from TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and all the other major video platforms. Again, why it's important that you're linking here. Okay. Lastly, we're going to keep scrolling and we're going to see nearby offers and events. You need to make sure that you're putting out an offer at least every couple of weeks on your Google business profile. We're talking about events because Google pulls these in and they use them as offers to make the people that use Google happier, right? Because you found about this really cool offer on Google. So you're going to thank Google. And that's what Google ultimately wants. And so be sure that you're putting offers on your Google business profile. If we go back, I can show you where to do this. Google recently redid this, this experience on here. What you'll do is click on posts, say add post. And although updates are very helpful in general of teaching Google what it is that your business does, what you want to do is either set up an offer or an event. Or if you write an update and you're talking about an offer, sometimes they can figure that out. In fact, a lot of the offers that are found on Google today are posts that they found on Facebook or Instagram, which they then showed as an offer. So definitely go over here and write an offer, an event. And again, the product that we have that automates Google Business Profile optimization called Paige can even automate this offer section for you to make sure that you always have an active one. So there you have it. Those are the things that you need to do to make sure that you are showing up on page 1 of the Google results in late 2025. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below and I'll personally respond to them. And if you like this video and don't miss our future ones, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thank you.